You filed your tax return and then realized you forgot a deduction, got a late 1099, or picked the wrong filing status. Form 1040X is the fix. You have 3 years from the original due date to amend, and most can now be e-filed for faster processing. Here is exactly when to use 1040X and when to not use it. When you should amend. Wrong filing status. Picked single but should have been head of household. Forgot to include income. Late W-2 or 1099 arrived after filing. Missed a deduction or credit. Student loan interest, education credit, EV credit. Wrong number of dependents. Updated info from a corrected W-2 or 1099. Each of these can change your refund or your balance due significantly. When not to amend. The IRS autocorrects math errors. Never amend just because the math was wrong. The IRS auto-applies a late 1099 they receive directly from the pair. If you forgot to attach a schedule, the IRS usually mails you a letter requesting it. Respond to that letter, do not amend. Amending unnecessarily wastes 6 months of processing time. Deadlines. You have 3 years from the original due date or 2 years from when you paid the tax, whichever is later. So for tax year 2022 returns filed by April 15, 2023, you have until April 15, 2026 to amend. After that, the IRS will not process the amendment and you forfeit any refund. The deadline is firm, no extensions. The 3-column format trips everyone up. Column A is your original amounts from the return you already filed. Column C is the corrected amounts after the change. Column B is the net change. Column C minus column A. You only fill in the lines that changed. Lines that didn't change can be left blank in column B. The IRS uses column B to calculate your new refund or balance due. E-file versus paper. As of 2024, you can e-file Form 1040X for tax years 2019 and later. If you use tax software that supports amended e-file, TurboTax, H&R Block, Tax Act, Free Tax USA. E-filed amendments process in 8 to 12 weeks. Paper amendments still take 16+ weeks. Pre-2019 amendments must be paper only. What to attach? Any new or revised schedule that was affected by the change. New Schedule A if you added itemized deductions. New Schedule C if you corrected business income. The corrected forms or 1099s themselves if available. A brief explanation on Part 3 of the 1040X, 1 to 3 sentences stating what changed and why. Do not include the original return. The IRS already has it. Recap. Use 1040X to fix filing status, missed income, missed deductions, wrong dependents. Don't use it for math errors. IRS autocorrects. Deadline. 3 years from original or 2 years from payment. E-file if your software supports it for 8 to 12 week processing. Paper file takes 16+ weeks. Use the 3-column format strictly.